Сәлем достар, бүгін бізде видео кішкене басқаша бағытта болады, себебі бүгін мен шетелде, яғни Иранда туып-өскен қазақ қызымен ағылшын тілінде сұхбаттасып көргім келеді. Егер де сізді шетелдегі қазақтардың өмірі немесе жалпы елге оралғысы келетін қазақ жастарын қандай мәселе толғандырады деген сұрақ қызықтырса, видеоны соңына дейін қарап шығыңыз. Hi Samira, how are you? I'm so glad to meet you. I'm really glad to have a chance to talk to you today. Thank you for accepting my offer. Samira, I have some questions regarding Iranian Kazakhs, frankly, culture, language problems. But first, tell me please about yourself, family. What are you doing these days?
Hi Gulzat. Hi everyone. Thank you Gulzat for inviting me to your video. It is my pleasure and I'm so glad to meet you too. And I hope you all find this video useful and enjoy watching this. Well, let me introduce myself to everyone. I'm Samira. I'm from Iran. I grew up in Gombatgaou city and I live with my family. I have 5 siblings and I graduated from university with a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. At present, I work for myself. I have an internet cafe. Well, it is a small shop near our home. Also, I'm a teacher. I teach mathematics to students.
How many Kazakhs live in Iran totally?
Well, let me make an introduction first. Well, our population had many ups and downs, and the migration of Kazakh people from their homeland to Iran, if I'm not mistaken, began in 1928 to 1936. At present, we live in the northern part of Iran in 3 cities of Golestan province, Gombat-Qabus, Gorgan, and Bandar Turkeman city. And at present, we have zones in these cities called Kazakh zones. I mean, everyone now these zones as Kazakh zones. And in that time, we had a large population. But after the independence of Kazakhstan, as you know, in 1991, most of Iranian Kazakhs, due to the encouragement of Kazakh government, migrated to their homeland. As a result, our population decreased. But some of them returned to Iran again for various reasons, such as incompatibility with other conditions, or we can say their habituation to Iranian culture, or separation from relatives who remained in Iran, and well, reasons like this. And also, there are still families who are moving to their homeland or returning to Iran, to the country where they were born. And at present, our total population is more than 4,000. But I didn't have any exact information about the population of each city separately. But if I want to sort it from the largest to the lowest population, the first rank is Bandar Turkeman, then Gorgan, and then Gombat-Qabus. And the reason that Gombat-Qabus has a few population is that most of Iranian Kazakhs migrated to their homeland in 1996. In that time, I was 1 year old.
I was always curious about this question. So my next question is that, in which language do you think and which language do Kazakh people speak the most?
Well, depending on who we talk to, we speak 2 languages. If our audience is a Kazakh person, we speak Kazakh, and we speak Persian with the non-Kazakhs. And also we speak Persian most of the time at the public and office places like schools, shops, pharmacies, universities, well, hospitals and other offices. And also, since we spent most of the time at the school environment, we spoke Persian more. And also, when we want to text or chat, we write in Persian language too, because it is difficult to write in Kazakh with Persian letters. And we have a low population. So, in my opinion, reasons like this have made us not speak Kazakh fluently, like a native. Well, when we want to speak Kazakh, we speak a combination of Kazakh and Persian language, because the range of our Kazakh vocabulary is small compared to you. Therefore, we use Persian words in our Kazakh structure. But young Iranian Kazakhs are now working hard to study and learn and speak Kazakh fluently with the help of online classes. And also, I very like to speak Kazakh fluently, so I try to get acquainted with Kazakhs living in Kazakhstan and then make friends with them and also strengthen my language. That's how I got to know you. And well, certainly we speak Kazakh among ourselves, our families, our relatives, our friends, and our acquaintances. And well, it would be a strange thing if we speak Persian among our Kazakhs. We preserve our mother tongue, and at the same time, we speak Persian most of the time. It is official and common language of Iranian ethnicities, and well, I thank Iran for that, because now I know one more language. All this means we are comfortable. We are comfortable with our mother tongue, and separate country has not caused us to forget it. In my opinion, the mother tongue is the identity of every race, and we should not be a reason to forget it, because the disappearance of a language means the extinction of that race.